In this guide, I'm going to show you how to send camera roll pictures as snaps on Snapchat. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, open up Snapchat and you need to take a quick photo or video inside of Snapchat. Let's just go ahead and take a quick little video real quick. We'll record that just like so if it's just black screen, right? From here, what you need to go ahead and do after you take it is tap the small little like clip icon at the bottom left with a plus symbol. You see there's this little plus symbol, select that and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this now. Now what you need to do is look for like the photo icon over on the right with a plus icon, select it, choose whatever you want. For example, we'll go ahead and do this picture of the shoe, right? Then hit next. And if you only want to send the camera roll photo, tap the original photo or video just like so and delete it. Or what you can also go ahead and do whenever you're ready is just hit preview, then hit send to, and then of course send it. Now also what you can do, keep in mind, is edit this fully. So I can go ahead and delete this one part and then just send this, right? But I can also go ahead and add text, draw on it as well, emojis, whatever it might be, you get the point. But that's really the full process. Hit send to, send it to someone, and you got it just like so. That's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.